Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you are doing great. Well, today I am discussing about one major thing. Okay? Every people and every person want improvement in this, but they have a lot of opportunity, but it didn't know we have opportunity. So let me break down how do you can implement and how do you can convey front after universe. So firstly, I'm talking about the social media. Social media is the very important tool or to implement everything. I'm talking about you can learn everything through all the social media, and you can implement day by day in your life what you want to do and what you want to achieve your daily basis life. So firstly I want to say why social media is a powerful tool. So real English conversation and the casual modern vocabulary and explore to native or accent day by day. You just watch and you can implement day by day in this conversation. So firstly I will share something regarding to our English communication. Firstly, I'm talking about Instagram is a very important tool for the our English communication. Just you follow to one any person who is providing English lecture and every short video and this, and day by day you just watch one 15 minutes and 10 minutes, and after that whatever you are watch you note down in the copy, and after that during the conversation just you use, because without speak you cannot speak any one person, because some people just watch, but when it's come to the conversation he didn't speak a single word and he didn't use a that vocabulary and that phrases. So just to focus on the ever like day by day improvement through of the like every vocabulary and every phrases whatever you are noted down in the copy, and after that in YouTube watch 5 minute spoken English video daily and turn with the subtitle for the English plus reading practice. Subscribe to the channel Speed Flow and the Clearly, because as a beginner if you follow to advanced levels like I'm talking about native speaker and the fluency levels who are providing day by day English, and you cannot understand it, because in initial time we just focus on the simple word and simple conversation. And for example, one people are living in our country, but you want to like if you want to watch podcast of foreign country like USA and another country, but he will not understand it, because we just focus on the our English communication in basic level, and after that you will be familiar these are English conversation, and then you will go to the that particular language and you will be able to learn and you will able to speak front of anyone. So just you can watch with video and with subtitles during the like watching, and after that WhatsApp join the WhatsApp and Telegram. So firstly text one to two message daily basis your friends and your family member day by day, because when you send the message every one person, and then you will understanding I need to send message daily, and without the send message you will not stay that particular times. So just you can send day by day. If any one person send the message Hindi way, that you cannot send the Hindi way, just to send to English way, because you are learning English. When you message Hindi way send, then you will not able to learn English through of the WhatsApp, through of the Telegram. So that's it. These are you follow. And Facebook, I'm talking about Facebook. Join public groups for the English learner and participate in the comment with the shorts are replied, because nowadays there are multiple social media available. You can just follow them and you can use the very good way, and after that just you imagination, whatever you have you are using the good way or not. If you are not use good way, then you will it is the waste of time, because right now every people are using Instagram and the Instagram and the YouTube. Just Instagram using only for the reels and the bad reels and everything. It is not good for the that person, because you are learner, you just focus on the simple word and simple English language and put step your daily social media practice plan. So 5 minute Instagram scroll for the vocabulary, 10 minute YouTube shorts the video, and the 5 minute post and the comment in English, and 5 minute note voice note on the WhatsApp to friends and yourself. So friend, a reminder, social media can waste time or build skill, and it is your choice. Encourage consistency, fun practice, and ask them to comment favorites platform for the learning. It's depend on your perception mind. If you want to implement your English, then you can use these like apps throughout the social media, because I didn't say anything like advanced or something, but you have a lot of opportunity. Just you need to focus and just you need to implement day by day our English conversation. And I think if is a beginner, you will be able to day by day, and one day you will become a good native speaker. I'm sure. So friends, see you soon next video.